Hey everybody, I wasn't sure this video was going to happen this week, but this morning we finally got confirmation that we will be having a Dollar General clearance sale this Saturday and Sunday. That's January 28th and 29th and 30th. Sorry, 29th and 30th. If you're new to shopping DG clearance sales, I highly recommend you pause this video and take a look at our clearance playlist that will give you all the information that you need, and then proceed with the rest of this video. This sale will include already marked down clearance merchandise in the clearance aisle, as well as POG clearance, which are the little orange tags on the shelf below certain items throughout the store, as well as seasonal merchandise like Christmas if there's any left over. My store says the signs right now say that they are doing 70% off. Some stores are only doing 50%. It just depends on how much merchandise your store needs to clear out. The discount is off of the price that is on the clearance tag, but I highly recommend using your Dollar General app to scan items to make sure they are included in the clearance sale. Sometimes in the past, we've seen certain items that should be not. So just use your app to scan for those type of things. A couple things to remember. A lot of stores won't set out their full merchandise until the morning of the sale. So while this video, we tried to include everything we could, it is not a full comprehensive list of everything that's going to be included in the sale. For that, I highly recommend checking in with me tomorrow. I'm going to be doing some hauls. I'm going to be up bright and early at the stores, the two that are closest to me, and doing some 5 off 25 shopping, including some clearance stuff with them. So, definitely put that on your calendar to check that out. I will be with you guys as early as I can when I can get back to the house and get set up for filming. You can use coupons with clearance merchandise. You need to have other items in your transaction to soak up any of the overage that you create. And you are definitely welcome to add any clearance items to your 5 off of 25 deals for the Saturday. Please leave us a thumbs up so we can push this video out to as many people as we can. We worked really hard to try and get this to you guys at the last minute, so please show your support. Leave a comment down below if I missed anything that you know of, and let's get saving. Couple things I wanted to point out at the end here, particularly this Angel Soft toilet paper that has this like evergreen scent to it. David grabbed a picture of it that was 50% off on the shelf, but he didn't think to grab the price for me, so I'm not sure what this actually costs, but it is something to look out for on the clearance sale. Hopefully it is actually 50%. That'd be pretty sweet. He also wanted me to point out what a great deal this was on these interesting fishing rods with the tackle box and everything that it comes with. It's like a little kit. Originally $20, so at 70% off, it's down to something like $6 or so. So really, really good deal. I'm not a fisherman. He is, but he said to make sure to mention it. And I saved this guy for last because I don't know for sure whether or not it's supposed to be on clearance. There were several bottles like this on my clearance shelf, but they were ringing up close to full price when I checked them out. So not confirmed yet, but I will check it out tomorrow morning. Like I said at the beginning of the video, please make sure to join us for the live. There'll be lots more information there, and I will show you my haul and everything that I got. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you haven't, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on clearance videos like this, and happy saving.